Okay, just a quick video to show you guys how to make a pop-up blind permanent. I'll try and link to this. I think this blind is like 69 bucks. The Camo Tarp is probably about 15, 20 bucks. And I have done this for years. So at our house, that before we bought the farm property, I had a blind in the backyard behind the fence for 6 years or 7 years. Perfect, absolutely perfect. However, before that, I had one behind my shop, and I did not do this, and what ends up happening is the fabric material, the sun hits it, UV destroys it, it dry rots, and rain gets in. You want to be able to sit in a blind like this, cuddled up on a cold, rainy day, and not have any water come in. Otherwise, if you don't do this, you'll have it drip in from the top. So what you'll need is, I ordered these Camo tarps off Amazon. Get whatever size you want. I get a 10 by 12 because I use this on my big tree stands as well. So I just cut it and then Gorilla tape. Get the 2-inch wide Gorilla tape. And you really need to do this on a day where it's dry and a little bit warm. That's where this stays. And I'll tell you what, we just took down one of these. We had trouble getting this tape off. This tape will stick. So all we do, the first thing you do is we don't use these little spikes that come with it. I don't know if you can see these, but these are big. They're about 12-inch long. They're 12-inch long. You can use them for trapping. They're larger stakes. This thing, I cannot get to move. I literally tried to move it. I was going to stake off that corner, and I couldn't move it because it was so tight. The next thing I do is I put the tarp over here, and I sort of figure out where I want it to go. So this is the back, so I have it here a little bit long. And my only areas, I have a gut feeling, this is why I'm doing this. See that tree stand? That's got to be 25, maybe 30 years old. And I got a feeling there is an old trench back here. So my pond is up there. There's these massive boulders. There used to be a river, and there's this bottom down there. And there's all this super thick stuff. Now, 2 years ago, I shot a buck back over here, and he ran through here, and he went all the way through there. And I have a feeling that some of the deer are using that for a travel corridor. So I put some corn down there and soybean and a camera, and I'm putting this up. So as I go along, I actually just put Gorilla tape, and you can see I just want this water to run off here. Same thing on the front. I just want this water just to roll off here. And you will never, ever have a drop of water fall on you if you do it this way. The one thing I do, I leave this, they have a screen and a fabric. I actually cut my screen wherever I think I'm going to shoot. So you can see like this, instead of taking it all down, I actually cut my screen because I'll be crossbow hunting. And I'll cut like little holes, little shooting holes in my screen. I'll leave some of this up. But that's how I do it. It's taped all the way around. And let me tell you what, I guarantee you, you come back 10 years from now, that thing will still be standing there and still be able to be hunted. I guarantee it. Because I had one in the woods for 6 years and it was perfect. But you do need to make sure you tape it down, get some good stakes in there, and it'll be there for a decade. That's it. Just a quick tip for you. I'll talk to you later. Doc.